Abusia Ebemo Akawa assign about GH Libya TV. So guys, once again you are welcome back on GH Libya TV. This is a breaking news, and as we used to inform you, according to the Center for Meteorology, another drop in temperature and rains expected on Tuesday and Wednesday, and also first overland deportation of irregular migrants in Libya seized 150 Egyptians out of the country. Welcome back. The director of the information office at the National Center of Meteorology, Muhyiddin Ali, says the winds start dying down, expecting another low pressure on Tuesday and Wednesday with low intensity rainfall. Ali renewed the sailors' warning of entering the sea, indicating that it is still witnessing a state of turbulence, and that the wave high exceeded 4 meters, indicating that the weather will return to stability by the weekend. Also, in another story, a group of 152 Egyptian nationals have been repatriated to their country through the Mossad Libyan-Egyptian crossing border. The Anti-Irregular Migration Agency of Libya's Interior Ministry confirmed. According to the agency, the migrants had previously entered Libya without documents or official procedures. A total of 106 of those deported were arrested in Tripoli and transferred to Benghazi before deporting them to Egypt. The agency indicated that it has also deported 78 irregular migrants from Chad and Sudan to their countries in the first voluntary land repatriation process via buses through a hiatus of years, noting that it will start deporting other batches during the coming period.
GH Libya TV.
Abusia yesan emo kwa babiem ewa GH Libya TV. So we putupuro amane bo said the baby ayade betudwa na uhunu dia ekoso titiro eye weda ya asesen no said how a ewumu no so yensaka yebema wonso wason atibi opening kase a ohwe amanebo ensem so ewo National Center of Meteorology ede abetudwa se ochena ene enedai ekro no saa na wosusu se said temperature na anase ewiem hye no asan ate abafom no wohwe wiem na wakeka enema ebo enema ho a ekire se enebenedai ene ochena wukuadai no ensuo no ebesan ato enunti amanfo enhye no so se beye na enkofa eyeni ene hawbi emfa emrati maimufo ene wona wodi wondwuma ewo mountain so ne another areas nenti no wode kokobo ensem edaso ede ma wona wode epo edi dwuma se wonhwe se enene ochene no obia enko ensuo no eso se okodi dwuma ewo ho efiri se ensuo no ne tenten no wosusu a ebeye susudua no aye meter no beye se 4 meters high enenti wachiremu a yade a pono ewo soro a udidi dwuma enyeyi enenti amanfo enhye no nso namom wokoso edwoni edi dwuma die na chi na wachiremu a emba na wotwi awieye die weda no bibia betumi abafom ama bibia nso anase ensuo no so ayedin na afei emframa enam oman no mu nso no ebetumi akofom enenti na ewose yema yetiefo a wonso wodi dwuma ewo mountain so no eye awe na omoso ehu kwan obetumi afaso ewo sa dwuma die wu na enkrafoforo asan beka yensa ekiremu a Libya for deported Egypt for makomako oha ne adunum mienu 152 ena wadiport omo ede won afa efom wamfa wienhye mekira alupre wamfa amfa na mom wode won efa afom a wode won efa won hye so saa ekowura Egypt man no mu a wode won nyina efa won border eye Mossad Libya Egyptian crossing border no eho ena wode won efa ye ensem nyina ebeto dwa ewo abra asoye a wohwe migrant ho ensem eso ewo afisem asoye no ena wode sa ensemi ebeto dwa na wo kyeremu a already no wodi kan edi nipa beye se aduoson enwotwe bi nso afa Sudan ene Chad ede won ekọ sede GH Libya TV yedikan abebọ mu kokọ ana yedikan abebọ mu amane deda no na wachire mu a nipa a wadiport we no wachi mu emako oha ene ensia ewo Tripoli ansa na wode won efa eye kwan so akọ Benghazi a wode won efiri Benghazi nso ekọ Egypt man no mu na wachire mu a binum so wo ho a wogu so a woye wo ho nhyehyeye a wobekoso adisa adwumade ya enche kora no after se wode wenu mu akwa wie no wobesan ede won so akopie won eman mu a wo hwe na afi migrant ho nsem a ayedaja ewo oman no mu a se wode wani ekire Europe man no so mu a na wotwi awieye no enkondwasie kese pa na ekoso between European countries no ebi etise eye Italy ene France for woyi nipa de won koduru a weisi menye no ho ensem so aye kese ewo oman no mu a abeye ensem kese ewo Italy for ene France for entema wo se wo hwe na wo de Libya for nso aka ho na wahu kwampapa sa ensemi wo betumi ede afaso wei na aka ho bi ama Libya for nso ekira nipa dodo na abewura oman no mu a wone enkratasem ana wamfa kwan papa so enu nti wo kira saa enipa oha ne aduonu mienu wei wamfa kwan papa so ene bewura eye Libya man no mu a wonkuta nkrata bia anase wonkuta visa na wofa nkwati kwan ene bewura oman no mu kwan a wofa so no etia emra enu nti ena wode won asan ekọ won kurumu na abusia putupuro amanebo ana ensama ensa beka na editie na esese wo so otibi no sede biribia ye no aha ena yede emawo enu nti wonsa ka fama wunua odofo sebe no no so behunu na obetibi na ono so atumi adana ho so ewo de ekoso ewo oman no mu yedamase ema mo moniti a adehye